Alrighty guys, let's look at how we do visualization in Power BI. Just like your Excel sheet, you have to create different types of charts like your pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and different types of chart. And Power BI tool gives you a different way or an interesting way to create more charts for you to explore different data. Here we look at, in order to create your sales report, you have to create few different charts, and then we'll look at, the first one is clustered bar chart based on your profit margin by segment. And then we can define how if it's a negative value, we can format it in a different colors. So let's go to Power BI. You already have your financial data and your sheet one. We are focusing on financial data. So in order to create your visualization, look at your visualization column here and look for clustered bar chart, which is your third from your left of your visualization list. So if you click clustered bar chart, the bar chart is created with no data populated on it. So now what we have to do is we have to create based on your profit margin and your segment. So that's how you get your first chart, how automatically it's created. So now let's format anything negative to be shown red. In order to do that, within click on the same chart and then go to format your visual, click on it, and then what you have to do is you got to do change data format, I guess. Yeah, so no, not data format. It is goes to visual, x-axis, y-axis, bar. Ah, under bar, if you go to the visual, go to bar, and now you go to give a formula for it. If anything less than equal to or less than 0, you need red. So click the fx, which is your function, and look for gradient. We are not looking for gradient, we are looking for rules now. Let's put a rule. If value is less than 0, less than or equal to 0, I want it to be shown as red. So I click change it to red and then click OK. See what happens. So you have automatically changed your negative value as 0. So the next one, let's do the KPI value. KPI value is pretty much you have to select your gauge. Let's go to Power BI, select your reporting area and look for gauge, which is kind of yeah, fourth row and fourth column. So that's your gauge. So if you click gauge, you won't have any data. Now you go to populate two elements of it. What is that? So you go to look for profit margin. So let's go to Power BI, just select, look for profit margin. So now you get the profit margin. So it just shows 0.14. So in order to change again to percentage, go to your format visual, look for gauge axis, not really. So target value to decimal points, data label, I think data label, design, general, sorry, go to general, look for properties, data format, profit margin, profit format option. You go for format option, you look for percentage, just click percentage, we change it to percentage. And now we got to set 20%. So according to your next one, you got to put a 20% value or target value as a 20%. Let's see how we can do 20% target value. So under visual, look for gauge axis. So you have minimum gauge axis, we can put 0 on it, and maximum auto, whatever it is. And the target we want to set is 20%, which is 0.2. And then enter. So all you have is 20% your target value, but you only reach a profit margin of 14.23, so you're still left. So that's how you show your KPIs with that. And then with that, next one, we need to publish your report. You can publish your report, go to your file, click file, look for publish, and then publish to Power BI. And then this will save. Do you want to save your Power? Yes, I do. Let's save it and enter your email address wherever you want to send it. Yeah, but video continue. Hopefully, I'll get a. There you go. You can oh, the moly.